As you can see, the IP address is pinging just fine, and I will go to Creality Print version 4 as you asked me, and file, open file, open something. Wait. Ah, skilly. No. Desktop. Okay, Benchy. ST. Benchy. Slides. Land printing. Now there is the web interface. Go confirm. I choose this. Then one click printing. Yep. But no motion, no noise, no nothing, no further communication, as you can see here. But it is communicating on one way or another. But when I have to issue the command to print, nothing happened. It's the same thing I told you over and over. It does not print even if the LAN is functioning normally, nominally. I have formatted a computer, this one, and I tested it to with 4 computers different, and my LAN, my network is working just fine. Thank you.